Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use your LARQ water bottle. So this video is going to be particularly useful who just got a LARQ water bottle. So let's go over how to use it. First, let's go ahead and remove all the contents from the bag. Now I'm currently charging the LARQ water bottle. And as you can see, it's currently blinking green to indicate that it's charging. You can choose to remove all the stickers from the packaging as well. But with that, we're going to go ahead and open up the bottle. And you're also going to go ahead and remove the filter. So go ahead and untie this filter. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And so with this filter, you can see that it's currently connected to the straw. In order to open up that filter, you can go ahead and open this up. And the filter is going to look like this. So go ahead and rip open the filter. And then once you have your filter unwrapped, you're just going to rinse it underwater for about 30 seconds. So about 10 to 30 seconds, simply just rinse the filter out. And then once you have it filled out, you want to take note of where the opening is on this filter. So the opening is on this portion here. So you want to face that upward. So we're going to go ahead and face that upward. And then with our filter, we're going to grab the straw. We're going to place it with the filter side pointing upwards. And then we're going to go ahead and close it up. And by closing it up, you just want to make sure that it is locked. So there is an alignment portion right over here. So you can see here that there's a lock portion and a arrowed line. So with it, we're just going to go ahead and make sure that it's completely locked. And you should hear a click. So there you have it. And again, that aligns with the lock button that you see right over there. So now you can go ahead and fill up your water bottle. So it's recommended that you fill it up 1 inch from the top. So 1 inch from this portion here. So just so that the UV lights can actually go ahead and shine down. So 1 inch from the top, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up right now. Okay, so now that we have our water bottle filled up, we're going to go on to our phone app and install the LARQ app. So it looks like this one right over here. Now we already have it installed. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And let's go ahead and create an account. So we're going to go ahead and click on create an account. And I'm just going to sign in using my details off of screen real quick. So you can log in using your Apple ID or Gmail ID as well. So we're going to click allow LARQ to find Bluetooth devices. Click on allow. We're also going to allow notifications just because I want some updates to be sent to me whenever. So we're going to click on let's go. And then it's going to ask some details. So we're going to click on get it from the Apple Health app and then click on allow. So fill in the details to the best of your ability. And then over here, it's going to ask you for quiet hours. So it's going to ask you during these hours, the bottle will not glow. So what time do you sleep? 11 p.m. is good. And then we wake up at 7 a.m. That works as well. As far as hydration reminders, we're going to do every 60 minutes and then click on continue. Maybe every 90 minutes. Click on continue. Now it's going to set us a hydration goal. So for our hydration goal, because we're moderately active, we're going to actually set this to 110 ounces. So we'll do 11 and click on continue. Now we're going to go ahead and add our LARQ product on this page here. So we're going to click on add LARQ product now. And then it's going to ask which project you want to, or which product you want to pair. We're going to do bottle Purivis 2, which is this one over here. Now, do make sure that Bluetooth is active on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and turn on Bluetooth on our phone. And then next, we're going to go ahead and plug in our LARQ water bottle. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in via Type-C cable. We're going to make sure that the light is turning green. And then as you can see, it now says pairing has been successful. Please wait. So now it's found our LARQ water bottle. So we're going to name it. We're just going to name it John's bottle. Click on the check mark. Click on next. It's going to ask us what color we have. Obsidian black, and click on next. And then it's going to ask what size water bottle do we have. Now this right here is the 600 ml one. Click on next. So we've already installed the filter. So we're just going to click on yes, next, essential, finish, click on finish. Now as last minute notes, always try to place your water bottle on a flat surface. Opening and closing the spout cover on a level surface will also trigger a tracking measurement. You'll know when a tracking measurement occurs when a breathing white light appears. So click on finish. So now on my LARQ app, you can see that the water bottle battery level is currently low. So we're just going to click on that. And then you can see here that there's multiple different modes. Purivis mode, LARQ icon. Now, normal for purification. This is good for tap water. If you're on an adventure, click on next. Apocalypse purification. This is good for treating water while you're traveling to areas that have unreliable water, such as other countries. And then swipe the like icon. Okay. So you can either swipe here to purify your water, or you can go ahead and press the button at top. But the LARQ water bottle will actually go ahead and clean your water automatically every 2 hours. But that's pretty much it though, as far as setting up and how to use your LARQ water bottle. I showed you how to go ahead and clean it up. I've showed you how to go ahead and connect it to your phone. But yeah, that should be it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.